Boys hockey, the Avalanche are still in search of that first win, hoping the losing skid will end tonight. They got Black River Falls as we go inside the Omni Center. Nearing the end of the second, BRF leading. Holman's Evan Johnson getting the puck here, fires it, but Cody Cool makes the save as the Tigers maintain their lead. To the third, Tigers on the attack. Jake Zukowski gets the puck, takes it to the slot, snaps it by the keeper, giving the Tigers the 4-2 lead. Later on, Holman mishandling the puck here. Carson Hunter picks up the loose puck, finds Matt Engbretson, who snipes it. Tigers go up 3. They improve to 4-3 on the year with a 5-goal win.